Hello everybody, welcome to my first solo reaction in quite a while. If you are seeing this before a video reacting to I forgot what it was called. Oh yeah, The Passion of the Craft. Because I saw it right here. Anyways. Well, you know. Yeah. That was made before this video. I was with Tuna. But anyways, let's get on with this reaction. 3, 2, 1, go. No one cares about you, Fortnite. Or you?
I always forgot how beautiful it can be up here at night.
You sure is right about that, Lightning McQueen.
Sometimes, it feels like we're the only two people in the world that know about this spot.
Funny you should say that, 'cause I saw a train on my way up here today.
Well, trains are pretty common around these parts. I mean, there's tracks everywhere.
Well, it was downright strange. Wasn't like no train I'd never seen before.
Was it blue? Like a mystical blue. Almost as if the train had become one with the air around it.
Whoa, oh, yes! I couldn't have said it any better myself, Lightning. Man, that's exactly what it looked like.
When I had that wreck.
Alright, sorry. Anyways, if I'm being quiet, then that just means that I have no commentary on this. Sorry about that.
A while back.
Oh boy, I remember. We all didn't think you were gonna make it out alive.
It's pretty weird. When I had the wreck, I had such an odd dream.
Alright, this is getting interesting.
It was a strange feeling.
Weird, very weird.
It was a place I've never seen before, but felt as if I'd spent a lifetime there. And the only resemblance from the normal world was the sound of a train coming my way.
Oh no.
I felt fear more than anything.
Oh no.
Though it was the sound of a train, it felt like a thunderstorm. Like an earthquake was going to destroy the ground around me. And I would fall into a sea of nothingness. All I could do was anxiously hold my breath and brace for impact.
Some shit.
But the impact never came.
Oh!
Instead, a smiling face appeared.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit, don't want that.
No.
Let's just get a good...
Melting from the darkness. Pale and cold, screeched forward on its tracks, only to stop right in front of me.
Oh!
It was as if I'd never spoken a single word in my life. I couldn't conjure a single sentence to say to him. But the train finally spoke, and I can still hear his voice in my mind.
What the fuck?
I have seen past the farthest star, and I have gone to the edges of the earth.
Oh.
And I can take you there, if you so choose.
Oh.
I can give you all the things you never knew you wanted.
Fucking Lightning McQueen is, you know, tripping on some shit. Oh god, this is actually kind of scary.
Taste from the tallest chalice. Dine at the largest halls. And all I ask in return is your soul.
Oh
Your soul
god.
Vincenzo.
Oh fuck! I'll think about this. I'm trying to think of what this fucker looks like. Oh, ooh.
Life without pain, without heartache.
What's so depressed?
Just for your soul.
I asked back to him, what of life after death? What of the paradises that await me in heaven above? The train did not look to me. It didn't make a single sound. Through all the steam and moving parts controlling this demonic vessel, its only reply was,
Drain of woes. Your God has turned his back on you. That's why my tracks still push me forward.
Just a quick side note, why are his fucking wheels so... oh god.
my body was afraid. Something new and unknown. May it be death? May it be hardship? Suddenly I woke from this nightmare.
Wow. I tell you what, that's downright horrifying.
Well, I haven't really slept well since then.
Oh, come on, Lightning. It's just a train. Nothing to be afraid of out here.
I know you're right. There's nothing to be afraid of now.
Oh! Oh! Is there anything after this? Is it just his patrons? Alright, no, that's... You know, that's the best I'm gonna give her a frame or something like that, I don't know. Whew, yeah, that was extremely interesting. I was gonna say something.
It's the farthest star.
I've been through the farthest dark. Thomas the Tank Engine. When was this video made? Let's see. I didn't even need to look at that. I could have just looked right here. I've seen past the darkest darks. Thomas the Tank Engine 2020. Yeah, that's about it for this video. What I would rate it is a solid 7 out of 10. I can't really give it any higher. It was just kind of boring. It wasn't boring. I mean, it was really interesting and kind of creepy, which is why I'm giving it a bit of a higher rating. But it just got a bit boring. You know, just hearing him ramble on about giving him his soul. Oh, that. Oh, yeah. That's better. Yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Bye. Sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna keep that in because, you know, I fuck up a lot and I want y'all to see my fuck ups because I don't know why. Anyways, this is just me, like, in the middle of editing the video. I hope you guys actually just really enjoyed this video, even though you probably didn't. I'm just hoping that you did, because, I mean, there's no use in making these kinds of videos if you're not gonna like them. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this once more, and have a good rest of y'all's day. Bye.
Do the Mario! Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario. Take one step, and then again. Let's do the Mario all together. together now. You got it. It's the Mario. Do the Mario, swing your arms from side to side. Come on, it's time to go. Do the Mario, take one step, and then again, let's do the Mario all together now.